Hey there everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving even deeper into the incredible journey of Elsin Songu, a woman whose drive and passion transformed her dreams into reality. From her early beginnings to the steps she took to craft her career, there's so much to admire about her story. Let's get started. Elsin's family always believed she was destined for greatness. They often joked that when she became famous, they'd auction off her childhood photos to eager journalists. Even at a young age, her natural talent and charisma were impossible to ignore. One of Elsin's most powerful qualities was her unwavering commitment to excellence. She adopted a mantra early in life: if you take on a task, give it your absolute best. Mediocrity wasn't an option for her, and if she doubted her ability to succeed, she'd rather not begin at all. This philosophy became the driving force behind her achievements. After completing her school education, Elsin pursued her passion for the arts by enrolling at the conservatory at Mersin University. It was there that she was introduced to the enchanting world of opera. While she admired its beauty, she eventually realized that the rigid structures of classical music didn't align with her desire for creative freedom. In 2006, Elsin's dedication earned her a scholarship to study at Yeditepe University. She graduated with a degree in fine arts, which proved to be a turning point in her journey. Following her graduation, she moved to Istanbul, a city that would become the backdrop for her rise to stardom. Istanbul opened new doors for Elsin, allowing her to explore her love for acting. She began performing in theatrical productions, sharpening her skills and finding her voice as an artist. During this time, she also expanded her horizons by studying Italian and English, proving her relentless drive to grow and evolve. This pivotal chapter of her life became the foundation for her later success and marked the start of her artistic career. That's it for today's video, everyone. Elsin Songu's story is a testament to how passion, dedication, and a commitment to growth can lead to remarkable achievements. If you enjoyed learning more about her journey, make sure to like this video, drop a comment, and subscribe for more inspiring stories. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.